Welcome back to shop. This is Mark at Mark's Upholstery. I got a interesting little project that I'm doing for a client where we got a little antiquish looking love seat that she wants to restyle, making it look a little more modern. And I'm going to go over with the changes I'm going to make to this love seat right here. Let's get into it. Alright, first thing she wanted to do is eliminate this hump. The furniture she has in her room and everything, none of it looks this old, flary style stuff. It's more straight lines. So we're going to straighten this off, but because it rises a little bit over here, I can't just take a line here and cut it straight off, or it's going to have a weird rise in it here. Now I could compensate that by putting another board on it, that's flatter and does that, and that may be what I do. I had thought about drawing a line from this side all the way to that side, cut that off, and then put a couple of little whoopie-doos in here. But I may also go ahead and find the low spot and then cut it out, and then take a straight board and then kind of cut a little bit of dip on each side and flatten it off that way. We'll see how I do on that here in a little bit. Next, she wants to take this arm and get rid of the roll. So you can see I've already started. I've come across here with the drawings of what I want to do based on the wood that's available in here. So what I'm going to do is knock this wedge out, and then I'll cut off this part here and this part here. I'll have to put a little bit of a square on here. I may actually just kind of do it. I'm probably going to do a pullover arm, where I can, I'll probably have a seam here and do it pullover so it's not got this panel look, because the panels kind of get that old traditional look too. So we'll do it as a pullover arm, and I'll kind of decide whether I need to add here or not. But so far that's the changes. David, bring me a clip of nails. Where the heck is he? Wake up! Millennial.